Okay, so your machine might be different, but the way that you start this is you select the buttonhole stitch on your machine, and the one that you want, you put the buttonhole thing on the foot, and then you put the button in the back of there so it's the right thing, and then you pull this little tab down right behind there, and then you go, and it works, and it's magic. Like, literally, it's magic. I don't know how to explain this witchcraft. And then you cut your thread, and then you have buttonholes. Look how easy this was. Oh my god.